How to create thumbnails so simple for beginners. Now I have two ways. Once you know them, you'll stop stressing about making thumbnails. G'day Christian creators, my name's Craig and I'm all about making thumbnails better. Thumbnails seem quite tricky, but honestly, I think we're overcomplicating them and cramming, well, I think we're cramming too many things into the same space. I have two ways of looking at thumbnails. I want to make this simple for you. I don't want to overcomplicate things. Day 1, day 14, there's not much in it, but it says so much. You want to click on it and see more. Well, maybe not the blue cheese, but anyway. Now I've got Mr. Beast because he's just, well, his things are so simple because he gets the click. And that's why, because they're just simple. They're just two halves. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is another one. It's a Christian channel that I can't think of right now. And it's kind of like she was laughing, but until I told her this truth from the Bible 5 seconds later. And with arrows and everything, it's just very simple. It's not complex. It's just the two halves. This one again, Mr. Beast. It's just two halves. That's it. Then we lean into the second one, which is ironically the thirds. It's just if you split up your thumbnails into thirds, that's it. This one is the 1/3, 2/3. It's just, you can put your beautiful face on the left or the right or even in the center, and then you have thirds. Even the Mr. Beast one here, you could even put that into thirds. It's that simple. And yes, I want to make it that simple. Again, this is just 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. That's it. Like this one is not perfect, but it's still generally thirds. That's it. We've just got 3 things on this and it tells the story. So what's the best program to use to make these thumbnails? I have an easy program that's free. Click here and find out how to use it. Go create something awesome for God, and don't forget, don't make great thumbnails, just make them better.